Rolly, ano po yung goal ninyo ngayon or message for the people? Kung ano yung pwedeng abangan kay Mystica now?
Well, right now, marami silang maaabangan. It's gonna be a good thing naman, di ba? Hindi naman yung negative naman. Kasi, of course, I have to set myself as a good example for everybody. Not just the typical Mystica that they used to know. So, kailangan talaga makita naman nila na ako, meron na akong advocacy, meron na akong goal in life, na something maganda ang direction ngayon. So, because right now, I'm actually holding businesses from Norway also, and of course Africa. So I'm gonna be involved with a big Norwegian company, and of course there got lots of businesses here in the Philippines. So para bang I took a big responsibility. So ang time ko na yun napakahalaga. So kung yung mga nag-aakala na pwede lang akong na basta nang hihilain or whatever ng ganyan, magiging busy na po ako. Pero if the price is right, hindi ko pa rin pwedeng pabayaan naman yung aking singing career. Especially now that I just finished having a contract signing with Viva Records. So that's gonna be a good instrument for me to be able to get back on my feet, being a singer, being the rock diva. And they're gonna really